What's good, y'all? It's your boy Little Roy, aka Little Roy TV, and but hold up. Before we say anything, it's official. It's official, ladies. My ex blocked me again on all social media platforms. So to reach me, ladies, if you want, hit me up on Instagram. Go send me some kind, sweet, cute messages on Instagram. Send me some good comments. She officially blocked me again. So whatever. But you see the title. Let's get into these dunks. Even though I may low-key return them because, like, I want to get my money back before I dip on vacation this week. So, yeah, you see the title. That's all I want to say in the intro, is that my ex blocked me on everything. So, we're back on bad terms. Either way, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. We're on our way to 200 subs, but the goal, ultimately, for the free giveaways to hit 1K subs. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, join the squad. And yeah, that's it. And also, whatever you want to comment down below. All my people that know, I respond to all my comments. So like this video and do all that good stuff. All the links down below. My main channel on YouTube and my Instagram, all that stuff will be linked down below in the description. So let's get right into it. Okay, so off rip, I hesitate in the intro outro, whatever, if that makes sense, because I was gonna say something else, but I just got like a brain fart. So here it is, regular, typical, nothing too crazy. An orange dunk box, or orange Nike box, Nike dunk, whatever, typical orange box. It's funny because you can see right here, but that's taller, that's something else. But this is a 6.5. They call it the Knicks color, but the Knicks is not red at all. This is legit a blue, white, black, and like a highlighter red, orange. But yeah, you know, they dropped on Nike a couple days ago or whatever, and yeah, they dropped a couple days ago, and you know, any type of dunks or whatever you pick up, because you never know, they can still make some profit. I don't know if I return them now or when I get back, who knows. But let's do the little quick thumbnail. Let's put these shoelaces inside. By the way, I'm still upset that I can't believe my boy Chris Paul didn't win his ring yesterday. I mean, yeah, the championship. Anyways, forget about Giannis. Either way, this is the thumbnail. Alright, so if that thumbnail was good, let's just make sure. Boom. So yeah, this is how it looks. Like, what is the actual coloring? Because they call this the Knicks Black Game Royal. That's literally, they call it Black Game Royal. How the hell is Black Game Royal with this ugly ass strawberry, watermelon, orange, red, pink, violet, pink, whatever type of colorway? This thing is so ugly, I can see why they're a brick. First of all, I didn't even realize they got the blue Nike check right there, and on the inside they got white. So it's like blue, white, that nasty color. I don't even know what that color is. They don't even label this color on the box. So literally, what the hell color is this? But yeah, this is, I mean, I thought it would have some profit, at least $5, but shit, this shit is under retail. So I just want to show you guys real quick how they look. They're a high top, so obviously it's more of a brick than a low top. But yeah, I might just return these shits to Nike, honestly. Because yeah, I'm about to go on vacation, and I could do to have $90 back. But this is how it looks. Oh, you got you can see blue, white. I don't even know what color this is. Like I said, they didn't even say it. Nothing special on the inside, right? Nope, just a regular Nike and blue font. Nothing on the tongue. This shit is ugly as hell. Let me know if they ugly. Agree with me in the comments. If you agree with me in the comments, let me know how ugly they are. Would you cop? Maybe for kids, yeah, because, you know, kids would just be hyped to get a dunk, and then they could just mess it up because it's fine. It's not too bad of a colorway for kids, but I guess that's why they only dropped them in kids, because it made sense. But there's really not much to really show you guys, right? This is how it looks this way. The outer way with the white, and this random ass color up top. But yeah, let me know in the comments as well. Are these like a waste of a dunk? Are they ugly? Like, let me know. I just want to show you guys this because obviously it's another pair of sneakers. I might as well show you guys just for content purposes, obviously. But that's really it. Like I said, this is a 6.5. They only dropped them in kids, so there's really not much to say or show you guys. This is like the quickest review I ever did. But yeah, just wanted to really show you guys these before I return them or whatever. Try to make at least $5. Quick brick flips. But either way, like I said, ladies, hit me up on Instagram. My ex officially blocked me on everything again, so I'm available even more now. So hit me up on Instagram. The link would be down below in the description. And fellas, all you guys gotta do this time around is just share this video. Let's get more people to subscribe to the channel. And yeah, that's about it. So I'll see you guys on the next vid. And yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I think that's it. See you on the next vid.